Gratitude. Mabuhay po kayo, Mr. President, at mabuhay po ang bagong Pilipinas.
Maraming salamat po, Congressman Suwan. Ngayon naman, ating tawagin si Cagayan de Oro City 2nd District Representative Rufus Rodriguez para sa kanyang mensahe.
His Excellency President Ferdinand Bongbong Romualdez Marcos Jr., members of his cabinet, Secretary Jagdameo, Secretary Gatchalian, Secretary Laurel, our distinguished, our hardworking, judicious, strong leader of the House of the People, our Speaker, Martin Romualdez. My distinguished colleagues who are present here today, takpakan natin ang mga congressmen to show their love for Cagayan de Oro. Our governors, our mayor of Cagayan de Oro, Clarence Uy, governors, mayors, Kagawas, our Vice Mayor of Cagayan de Oro, Bebon Rodriguez, Kagawas of Cagayan de Oro, our barangay captains and officials, our national government officials, may hapon kanatong tanan. Mr. President, the Filipino people, thank you for strengthening our relations with the United States of America, Japan, and other like-minded nations to protect the West Philippine Seas from any intrusion. We thank you, Mr. President, for stating that you will not give up an inch of Philippine territory to anybody. Thank you, Mr. President. We thank you, Mr. President, because you are supporting the initiative of our dear Speaker to put up and amend the economic provisions of our Constitution. Because we need more foreign investments and more employment for people of the Republic of the Philippines. And Mr. President, you know, you are the best salesman of our country. You have gone to foreign lands to be able to invite investors to come here to our country so that we're going to improve our situation of our people. Billions have already come here less than 2 years of your presidency. But if we amend the Constitution with the economic provisions, more billions will come here, Mr. President. Thank you for stating in the Philippine Constitutional Assembly, Penconsa, he said, read my lips, only economic provisions. Thank you, Mr. President. Yes, Mr. President. We thank you for your program to make accessible to all Filipinos, available and affordable food. And you have issued executive orders, you have requested Congress, we're going to pass laws. You are succeeding in lowering the prices of basic commodities in our country today. And finally, this is not long, Mr. President. And finally, today, with more than 10,000 of our Cagayanos here. Finally and lastly, we thank you, Mr. President, for the presidential assistance to farmers and fisherfolk. They are here today. Today, they're going to receive from the President his ayuda to our farmers and fisherfolks who have been victimized by the El Niño phenomenon. Drought all over Cagayan de Oro. And that is why the President is here. Because all of you present here will receive 10,000 pesos directly from the President to help all of you. And tonight, Mr. President, tonight our farmers and fisherfolks will kneel on their houses and thank the good Lord that thank you for giving us a compassionate president, a president with a big heart for the Filipino masses, the farmers and the fisherfolks. Thank you, Mr. President. So therefore, to end my speech, thank you, Mr. President. Daghang salamat kanimo salamat. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Congressman Rodriguez. Sa puntong ito, inaanyayahan po natin si House Speaker Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez upang ipakilala ang ating panauhing pandangal.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Maraming salamat sa ating speaker sa kanyang pagpakilala. Please take your seat. At papatiin ko na rin. Ano meron dito? May hearing yata dito. Daming congressman. Kailangan namin dito. Kahit yung congressman ako, nung pumapasok ako, hindi ganito maraming congressman ko sa akin na yun. At dito rin po, kasama po natin. At sinama ko upang makita at malaman ang tunay na sitwasyon dito sa inyong lugar, dito sa area ng Northern Mindanao, dahil po ay ang approach po natin na ginagawa ay yung tinatawag na whole of nation approach. Lahat po ng departamento, ng ahensya ng gobyerno ay tinutugunan ang bawat problema. Kaya nandito po ang ating Agricultural Secretary Kiko Laurel of the Department of Agriculture, si Secretary Lex Gatchalian ng DSWD, at ang ating Special Assistant si dating Congressman at napunta ngayon sa Office of the President, Special Assistant to the President, Anton Lagdameo, Secretary Anton Lagdameo. Ang aking matagal ng kaibigan, pero bata pa kami nun, kaya hindi pa kami matanda. Pero matagal na po kami magkaibigan. Alam niyo po, nung tumakbo at as Senator, si Congressman Rufus po tumutulong sa amin at hindi ko makakalimutan. Congressman Rufus Rodriguez of the 2nd District of Cagayan de Oro, ang 1st District Congressman ng Cagayan de Oro, Congressman Nordan Swan. Mga politiko rito, tax ng para. Dalahin ko ito pagdating ng paghalalan. Misamis Oriental Governor, Governor Peter Tulabia. Bukidnon Provincial Governor, Governor Rogelio Roque. Camiguin Provincial Governor, Governor Romualdo. At ang Mayor, ang buting Mayor ng lungsod ng Cagayan, ng Cagayan.